Hello, children. We have already gone through this chapter, the story of Abu Ben Adam. So, we will revise once again and we will solve the exercise of this chapter. So, this is a story of a man whose name was Abu Ben Adam. He lived on this earth long time ago. And why he was so special? Because he has spent all his life helping other people. Okay, he used to help other people on this earth, and that is why he was renowned on this earth. One day what happened, an angel came to Abu Ben Adam, and that angel, what it was doing, it was writing down the names. And when Abu Ben Adam asked him, what are you writing, it said, I am writing the name of those people who love God. So Abu Ben Adam asked whether my name is there, and that angel answered, no, your name is not there. So Abu Ben Adam said, okay, whenever you are going to make a list of the people who love their fellow men, kindly add my name to that list. And the angel went away. Second day, the angel came back with another list, and he said that, Abu Ben Adam, your name is on the top of the list, and this is the list of those people who love God and God love those people. So he became very very happy, and it was the best way to love the God is to love your fellow men. गॉड को सबसे अच्छे से आप कैसे लव कर सकते हो? जस्ट बाय लविंग द पीपल, जस्ट बाय सर्विंग द पीपल ऑन दिस अर्थ. जितने लोग हैं, अगर हम उन सब की मदद करेंगे तो अल्टीमेटली वी लव द गॉड. what God wants from us, that love your neighbors means love all the people you come across in your life. So the moral of this story is love thy fellow man and the God will love you. So let us remember very very important line, the greatest service to God is to service you give to the fellow men, as everyone has been created by God. If you keep them happy, God feels happy. अगर हम सबको खुश रखेंगे, अपने आसपास के लोगों को, और उनकी हेल्प करेंगे, God will definitely love us. Now we will discuss about some question and answer, and I will send you the PDF separately of these question and answers. So question number 1 is, who was Abu Ben Adam? So Abu Ben Adam was a man who spent all his life helping other people. He lived on this earth long time ago. So he was very very famous and he loved his fellow men. Now the second question, how did he spend his life? He spent his life helping other people. The main purpose or the sole purpose of his life was to helping all the human beings. सबकी मदद करना उसकी लाइफ का मोटो था. Why had angel come from heaven? Angel heaven से क्यों नीचे आया? It has come down to note down the name of the people who love God. ठीक है, वो किस लिए आया था? वो उन लोगों के नाम लिखने आया था जो लोग गॉड को लव करते हैं. What did Abu Ben Adam tell him? Abu Ben Adam ने क्या बोला उससे? Abu Ben Adam said that, please write my name when you are going to make a list of those people who love thy fellow men. जो अपने आसपास के लोगों को प्यार करते हैं, उनका ख्याल रखते हैं, अगर इन लोगों की लिस्ट बनाना तो प्लीज़ डू रिमेंबर टू राइट डाउन माई नेम. What did the angel tell Abu Ben Adam the next day? The angel told Abu Ben Adam the next day that your name is on the top of the list. तुम्हारा नाम अभी ऊपर है. तो उसने पूछा कैसे? So he said that angel, because God loved those who love thy fellow men. जो लोग आपस में एक दूसरे को ख्याल रखते हैं, भगवान हमेशा या गॉड हमेशा उनको पसंद करता है. And he loved it. So Abu Ben Adam was loved by the God because he loved his fellow men. Now tick the right answers. First question is, Abu Ben Adam spent all his life helping or threatening people. He spent his life helping other people. सबकी मदद करते हुए उसने अपनी लाइफ गुजारी. One day, an angel or a god visited Abu Ben Adam. So, obviously, it was an angel who visited Abu Ben Adam. So, where did he come from? That angel. The angel had come from heaven. वो स्वर्ग से आया था. The angel was writing the names of the people who hate or love God. किसके नाम लिख रहा था? वो उनके नाम लिख रहा था who love God. And the final is the best way to love God is to hate or love His people. So the best way to love His God is to love His people. So that is all from this chapter. The question and answers and any other thing or any other exercise I will send you through PDF. Take care till then. Bye.